during your medical malpractice trial, can you take pictures of the jury and post them up on your website to show the world exactly who is sitting in judgment on your particular case? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me on this walk as I share with you the answer to that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. The answer, unequivocally, is absolutely not. You can't do it. There are no cameras allowed in the courtroom, and under no circumstance should you surreptitiously or quietly take pictures of the jurors in your particular case and post them up on your blog or up on your website or somewhere else online to show the world who exactly is sitting in judgment on your particular case. Now, in response, you turn around and say, wait a second, isn't my trial, isn't my case open to the public? Can't anyone simply walk into the courtroom, sit down and start observing? And if they recognize one of the jurors, they could actually wave to them and say hi? The answer is yes. The courtrooms in New York in civil cases are open to the public. Anyone can walk into the courthouse, walk into any courtroom, sit down and observe the proceedings. So you might be wondering, okay, if that's true, why can't we now just take that image that we see if we walk into the courtroom and post it online? I'll tell you why. Because the court does not allow cameras in the courtroom. They don't allow us to videotape the proceedings. And what that really means is that even though the courtrooms are open to the public, they don't want the information that's going on in the courthouse to be disseminated online, and especially without anybody's permission. And now, if we were to go ahead and ask the trial judge for permission to do that, you know what he would say? He would say, absolutely not. There's no compelling reason to disclose the jurors' names. Now, you should know something. This is not a criminal trial. Remember, this is a civil trial here. Nobody here is going to jail. The doctor's not losing his license to practice medicine. So at best, what will happen is the jury will make a decision that the doctor is legally responsible to pay you a certain amount of money to compensate you for all of the harms and losses and damages that you suffered. That's it. So really, what's the harm in disclosing the names of the jurors who are actually sitting on your jury? Well, the judge is going to say, that's not going to happen. We don't do it that way. And because of that, under no circumstance are you to disclose to the newspaper or to anybody else or anywhere online who these people are. And what that really means is that you can't take pictures of the jurors. You can't put their information up online. And if you do so, you run the risk of having the judge sanction you or your attorney, having your case dismissed for not following the judge's rules, and you just don't want to go there. And it's not worth the effort, it's not worth the attempt to publicize who these people are, because in reality, it doesn't make a difference. And the question I have for you is, do you really want to go there? Bottom line is, you don't. Focus on the key issues in the case, which is what your doctor did wrong, what he did to violate the basic standards of medical care, and how that wrongdoing caused you harm and injury. That's what you should be focusing on, not publicizing the names and the images of the jurors who are sitting on your case. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because I'm on this beautiful walk and I had a few moments to share this great information, and I realized that you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you have not yet started a lawsuit but are thinking of doing so and still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.